Yeah, I'm feeling myself in this wig, y'all. I already told y'all water wave and springtime go together real bad.
Little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go.
So we're doing another wig install today. I'm going to show y'all how I installed this wear and go drawstring lace closure wig. It has 7 inches of parting space across and then 5 inches of parting space back. So it gives you such a large amount of parting space. And if you have a tiny head and you feel like wigs never fit you correctly, you definitely want to check out one of these drawstring wigs because you can literally tighten this bad boy so tight. Unlike other wigs, you'll definitely want to check this out if you have a small head. It's a nasty rainy day outside here in Atlanta today, but I still wanted to get cute. I still wanted to look put together, and this wig definitely did that for me today. If you're interested in seeing how easily I installed this wig today, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. It is such a nasty day outside, y'all, but we're gonna go ahead and install this wig from Klaiyi hair. So yeah, if you hear thunder and stuff outside, it is storming real bad. Y'all already know how the wig comes packaged. It also comes with this satin bag, which is what I like to use to store my wigs once I'm done wearing them. It comes with this HD wig cap and an elastic melting band. And of course the wig is packaged really nice. This is a water wave wig. It also comes with these bye-bye knot tapes, just in case you don't want to use like any spray or glue or anything, but you still want it to be secure. These are really good. So let's go ahead and take off this wig net and see what the wig looks like. So here is the natural texture of the hair. Y'all, it is storming so bad. Y'all can probably hear that thunder, but the wig is nice and full all the way from the roots to the ends, which I really like. So let's get into this hairline. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline. The lace has already been pre-cut. It is HD lace. It does have tiny knots, and the knots have been bleached a little bit. They're lightly bleached, y'all. So here is the lace closure. It is 7 inches across and 5 inches back, so you have quite a bit of parting space. You have 2 wig combs on each side inside of the cap. There's one big wig comb in the back here, and there is silicone gripping around the entire back portion of the wig, so it fits nice and secure. There is also this drawstring here, and you can use that to tighten the wig. It gives a really nice secure fit, and it allows the lace to sit flat as well. So let's go ahead and throw the wig on our head. I haven't tightened the drawstring yet, but I did go ahead and tighten the elastic band. I'm gonna throw her on and see what she's looking like. Let's pull this lace up. So not bad straight out the box, y'all. She is nice and full, but I will be going in and defining these curls because I want them more defined. You could rock it like this if you would like, but I think she's gonna look super cute with defined curls. You could definitely rock the wig completely glueless like this, but I do want to go in with a little spray. So I'm gonna pull the wig back just a little bit and spray around my hairline. I know my edges look crazy. I haven't been putting any like edge control or anything on them because I'm trying to grow them back out. So let's go ahead and pull this lace down into the spray. Make sure the sides are down to where you want them to be. And then I'm just going to take my comb and press down the edges, y'all. I'm going to take a hair clip and make sure that I pin this up and out the way. And lately I've been loving this lace melt mousse. I've had it, but I just haven't used it. And I started using it on the edges of my wigs lately, and I really like the way it looks after I melt the lace down. So I like to use it to kind of mold the hair in the front, but also to help like stick the lace down further. So it's like a dual thing for me. So then I'm just going to take my edge brush and brush this back. I'm going to take my blow dryer on a cool setting and just dry it slightly. If you don't let it dry slightly and you use the elastic band right away, it's gonna leave like this sticky stuff, and your lace might stick to the band instead of sticking to your head, which we don't want. So I'm gonna keep this on for about 15 to 20 minutes and I'll be back. So I got caught up scrolling on TikTok for a little bit longer, so it's been about 35 minutes, but she should be nice and melted. Let's go ahead and take this elastic band off. She's nice and tight too, y'all. Ooh, look at the hairline now. This combo is honestly undefeated, and then I just go around the hairline and I comb it out so that it's not all extra like hard, because I don't like that. So let's go ahead and take the hair out the clip and we're gonna define these curls because I'm gonna do my makeup live on TikTok, but I want my hair to be drying as I'm doing my makeup. So I'm gonna take a spray bottle with water and a leave-in conditioner. Little fun fact, I thought this was a deep conditioner the first time I used it, but it's a leave-in. She's thick though, so I really thought she was a deep conditioner, but yeah, she is not. So I'm gonna work side to side first. We're gonna do the left side first. We're just gonna go ahead and spray down this hair. I'll be back once I get it as damp as I would like it to be, because y'all don't need to see all that. So next I'm going to take my Lotta Body mousse and we're going to apply this all over the hair so we can get the curls nice and defined. And I put quite a bit of mousse in, y'all. And then I'm using my wet brush just to detangle, and then I'm going to scrunch everything up. And then I also like to use my comb at the top of the hair just to make sure it's nice and laid. Make sure you get the ends real good as well. And that's that. So I'm going to go ahead and do this side. I'll be back. So I went ahead and did this side as well. I have to let the hair completely air dry. You definitely could diffuse the hair, but I have to do my makeup anyways. So by the time I finish my makeup, this will be fully air dried. So I'll be back once I do my makeup. So I just finished doing my makeup live on TikTok. This is the look we came up with. Y'all need to follow me over on there if y'all been missing my lives, okay? If you're like, girl, we want to see a makeup tutorial, y'all better catch me live, okay? But I've been dropping some fire content on here as well. I've been trying to post on this channel at least once per week. That's been the goal. So I'm going to take the Kerastase oil elixir, y'all, and I'm going to use this to break up the cast that you can get from using the mousse. I'm just going to run it through the hair here just so we can make the curls nice and soft and frizz free. And then you know we're gonna fluff these curls out just a little bit, right? So I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and start breaking up some of these curls. Not anything too crazy, because I mean we already defined these curls, so we don't want it to get frizzy or anything. Y'all know I love big hair, but I want it to be tamed at the same time. The hair is about 75% dry right now, so it's not completely done drying. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Klaiyi Hair, I'm gonna have a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes they provide me with. If you have not already checked out my latest video, be sure to do so. I did an updated skincare regimen, and you definitely want to watch that next. Click the box right here to keep the party going.